Hey, it's a special day today. My boys turned 2, and behind me there's a little present. Let me show you what it is first, and then we'll invite them to unwrap it. Let's make it happen. Some of you might know these play kitchens from IKEA. People buy them, redecorate them, and produce real pieces of art. Turns out, my wife is one of the people. So this project is her baby. And I serve as a technical advisor. And when I say advisor, I mean I get coffee. Anyway, she sanded down the existing varnish of some of the surfaces in order for it to be replaced by some wood stain. The color of choice? Dark oak. After the surface dries, it will get a coat of varnish. Some of the edges get covered with green acrylic, while some faces get a coat of special blackboard paint. Once dried, my kids will be able to draw with chalk on it. We didn't like the grey color of plastic accessories, so they get spray painted in jet black color. Now for the fun part, what's called the acrylic pour. And for this, my wife lined up some acrylic paint, some silicone oil, and PVA glue. My wife starts by putting each color in a separate container. She then pours some PVA glue into a plastic jug. It gets diluted with an equal part of water. This then gets added to the paint, along with a few drops of silicone oil. The glue and water mixture helps to thin the paint. And in terms of viscosity, you're looking for something similar to what you see on the screen. My wife spreads the base color to make sure that no patch of wood may be uncovered in the final result. After that, she lets your imagination run free and she pours all the other colors. It's not a bad idea to spare a little bit of each color, just in case you decide to add some more later. The paint gets spread with a hair dryer, and this way the colors get smudged all over the canvas. It's impossible to accurately guess the result. Top layers get blown away, revealing the colors underneath, this way forming beautiful patterns all over. My wife pours additional paint, which will also get blown around with a hair dryer. Blowing through the straw gives the artist more control when creating fine lines. The last step involves a blowtorch and magic. Watch closely, and you will see the color from the bottom rising to the top, forming bubble-like structures, called the cells. This is the reason for using silicone oil. When heated, it carries the color to the top. You can see this wonderful pattern all over the dried paint. A little bit of tidying up, and the paint job gets covered with a special acrylic varnish. By the way, I added the links to all of the supplies in the description below. And now, let's put it all together. A beauty, isn't it? Let's add a few accessories and call on the birthday boys. I would like to believe that this made my kids' day. If you agree, like, subscribe, and as always, until next time.